Got the electrician over there. Go ahead and crank this up. So I am trying to install this skid plate from DRW, and it's kind of self-explanatory, I believe. My partner just explained to me that you put one bolt, the big bar where you see the one bolts at. I don't believe this one gonna have anything in it. I'm not sure. Maybe it might be a little off, but I definitely got it on backwards. But I was just trying to just give it a test run and see what I come up with. And I gotta flip it over. As y'all can see, that's why it's off. But it's giving me a general idea, and I'll show y'all what it look like. That looks good. Yeah, that looks good right there. Y'all see it? Well, see, I was thinking there was gonna be one more in the middle of that, but it's only two. So I gotta figure out where the second one goes. Yeah. It's two of those big ones. So, but we definitely protecting the belly of this thing now. I can't even get it on there how I really want it to fit. Let me throw y'all back in time lapse, but we working. Yep. Seems pretty sturdy to me, man. Seems pretty sturdy to me. See right here. Them little brackets, they 3D printed. This one started going sideways on me. And I don't know where that one's supposed to go, but pretty much everything is protected though. I got more than enough points on it. So it's what, 3, 5, 6 points. The 7th point I didn't do. But I'll go ahead and pull this thing on down. Man, let me put this down. But I'm gonna pull it on down, and yeah, man, that's it. I don't know what else I'm working on today. I think that's about it. Got the motor tore down again. I'm just going to sit this down like this. I knew that was going to happen, but that's going to work my nerves. Not just thinking about it when I'm at home. But I'm going to go ahead and go with this original water pump serpentine setup. Like that's going to be the way to go on this one. And trying to see if I'm going to do the AC delete pulley, or if I'm going to just go ahead and run a shorter belt, because I really don't even want to fool with the AC just right now. But I do kind of want to line everything up during the winter. But right now, we don't need no AC. I'm doing it backwards, but I'm just trying to get outside. So did something on this one, did something on that one. I'm gonna put a 41-tooth sprocket on there. We're gonna do some force V-Force 4s, reeds on there. Finna adjust the timing. Got a timing plate and rejetted. I got some 30 over jets. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Got that one coming. More stuff coming with the Banshee for sure this summer. But yeah, I ain't gonna bore y'all. Man, appreciate y'all tuning into the YouTube channel. I'm hoping that y'all liking the content. I'm trying to give you more lit content, way more action. As y'all can hear, it's really busy over here at my shop this morning, on the highway at least. And man, if you like cars, dirt bikes, four-wheelers, all that stuff, man, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm watching some different people and they're doing giveaways, and I'm sitting back and I'm like, man, I would love to get into that, but I can't come up with a good enough idea, you know, where I could get the product for either free or cheap. But I'm seeing a guy raffling off a 2019 Escalade, and it's really clean, adult driven and everything. But I'm just sitting back and I'm like, man, I would love to be able to do that on my YouTube channel, but I'm not in a financial position to do that. But I am brainstorming on some different merch, some different things that I could probably invest my time and money into. But in the meantime, man, I'm not monetized on YouTube, but if y'all could like, share, and subscribe to the channel and share with a friend, man, it would be greatly appreciated. We moving up. We had 3,000 subscribers and counting. I thought by the time I got to 1,000, I'll be monetized. It was a real, this is a real job. I have to put a lot of time into creating content, editing the content. But the thing is, I love doing this, and I would be doing this stuff anyways. So it just, you spend a lot of time doing editing most of the time. And that's what kind of prolonged my videos from coming out. I was trying to do a once a week drop, but if I feel like I have nothing to record, I don't record. Even if I'm over here just messing around, putting around in the shop. It's a lot of stuff that I don't show. Just don't have no interest. But y'all just stay tuned, man, because I got some stuff that y'all really gonna like. And we definitely bringing this Monte Carlo out, man. We getting closer and closer. I got all the major pieces. So, yeah.